how to make only your friends can see your work on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to make only your friends can see your work on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and here just click this one, profile information, and then here you will find your work. Click this pen here and click share and just select friends and click save. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.